आ जाओ जी।
Your good name, please.
Yes, I am Raj Singh Dhaka.
Yeah.
I am from Rohtak district, Haryana. I am a retired agriculture officer.
Yeah.
From the government of Haryana, from the Department of Agriculture. I am SDO, retired SDO.
At present, are you working with any farmer organization?
Actually, I am not that much attached with any organization, any particular organization. I am just a simple participant in this very agitation, and much influenced by this feeling of our great leader, His Highness the Sardar Jagjit Singh Dallewala. I have been mentally so much I was impressed by this sacrifice feeling. Therefore, I am staying here. I have been staying here just for the last 1.5 months.
Do you think the adamant attitude of the central government shows that it will surrender before the farmers, as it has happened in the previous practice in the future course of time? What do you think?
Really, very, very nice, very a millionaire question you are. Actually, it's not only adamant, unconstitutional attitude, governments, unconstitutional, immoral also. Totally immoral, because our constitution allows us for our fundamental rights that every citizen has right to raise his voice against any atrocity, against any oppressive initiative of the government. So we farmers, we were going to demand, we were going to persuade the government for our
after Dallewal's fast unto death.
Yeah.
The Supreme Court of India has also come on the scene. What do you think about the role of the Supreme Court in this context?
Totally irrelevant. Actually, Supreme Court, however, it is a very dignified constitutional institution in our country, Supreme Court. But there is no relevancy of Supreme Court to intervene in this very issue, because the provisions of making law for our MSP legalization and all that, Supreme Court has no right. Supreme Court is no authority to help the farmers.
As a part of this process, the Supreme Court has formed a two-bench concerning these issues of the farmers.
Yes,
and they have formed a 5-member committee. What do you think about the 5-member committee? What has any sort of capacity to grant the demands of the people?
Really, I have already said that they have no constitutional authority to form any provision for act or rule. It will require some regularization or some acts it will require. If our demand is just legalize this purchasing of our products.
You might have observed the views of the Haryana people. What are they thinking about this 5-member committee? Because often it happens when Supreme Court makes any decision, if you oppose that decision, it is considered as the framework has been launched by them, that it is an contempt of a court.
No doubt, if suppose some order of the court, if it is passed by some judgment by some Supreme Court, and if we ignore it, no doubt, it is considered as a contempt of the court. But when we are no party, we and even government has also not presented in the court as a party. Just Supreme Court, this Modi government is using just the shoulder of the Supreme Court.
On this whole judicial process, I have written an open letter in the name of Chief Justice of India. Have you read that letter?
You have written, sir.
That is, yes, of course. I have written that.
No, sir, we didn't read
I will provide you.
Okay.
That is available on Facebook, as well as my views are available on the YouTube channel, The Voice of East Punjab, because the West of Punjab belongs to Pakistan.
Yeah.
You may open that account and see these views, but particularly I want to request you to tell me, you might have observed the views and sentiments of the Haryana people. Do they know about this practice or all of the Supreme Court, or it is totally in the dark?
Actually, sir, as the level of literacy in our farming community is not of that much level, so farmers they don't understand the sense of this involvement or interruption of the Supreme Court between our this agitation. Actually, there was no need of Supreme Court to intervene in our this agitation. I don't know why. However, it means Supreme Court may have taken the suo motu of this very. Therefore, but Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court, should also take a suo motu of the atrocities being practiced by the government of India, by the government
you
of.
might have seen this whole issue. The state, Punjab and Haryana High Court directed the Haryana government to vacate the main road.
Right, sir.
But this Supreme Court, instead of directing the Haryana government,
Right.
they have directed the Punjab government, which
yes.
has nothing to do with the whole issue.
Right, sir.
The,
Yes.
the leaders of the farmers are saying that our demands are related with the central government,
Right, sir,
and
right.
you are directing to the Punjab government.
Totally.
What sort of justice are you going to do? Ultimately, I want to ask a last question to you.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
As it is happening day by day, this space of justice, this space of democracy is narrowing down, is being narrowed down by central government led by BJP. What do you think in the future course of time, whether the rich traditions of Indian constitutional rights will come to an end, are going to have a dictatorship in place of constitutional democracy? This is my last question. What is your assessment?
Sir, we are afraid of what means what curiosity or what issue you have raised here. We democratic living in the democratic setup since last I think 75 years or more. We are afraid of, since the history we are if we look into of this government, particularly this government, it is we are afraid of that we are going to lose the democratic setup in our country, no doubt.
Do you make any effort to give your views on the social media so that the people of Haryana may get your ideas and be influenced about this whole phenomena? Do you write anything in the newspaper, print media,
Many times
TV channels?
Facebook, I use Facebook page,
Yeah.
and through Facebook page, many times I try to convey my.
Have you any written paper that might have been written by you against this whole process of being conducted by the central government as well as the Supreme Court of India?
Actually, in hard copy or in written text, I don't have any such.
You may send your views if you have a written version. My phone number is 7888738476. Thank you so much.
I will certainly take your phone number and I will